All right, bought another loose Blackwall collection today. Got some cool stuff in here. A-OK, gold Roger Dodger, orange doozy, a gold Hemi hauler. Haven't gotten these out yet out of the package, but a lot of them look like blister pulls. High Raker split window 63, 57 Chevy, race bait, tri-car, some construction stuff. Police car 924. Pack and Pacer. There's a gold one. Another police car. There's a green. I don't know what that is. I can't tell. I can't tell what that green one is. I'll have to pop it open and find out. Old number 5. Alive 55. Grease Gremlin. Got some cool ones. Dumper Dome. Army with the Snake. Got a Turbo Mustang. All of these came from the same collection. They all have the same kid's name on them. Yeah, this one says JL. So they were obviously in someone's collection and loved. Power plower, no plow. High Raker 40 is Woody. There's Jim's name again. High Raker Vet Van. There's old Jim. Beautiful silver Baja breaker. Jim didn't want his friends taking his cars. Brown teetotaler. Oh man, I just bought one of these. Chrome cruising van. This one's nice. There's Jim. Pretty sweet Z Whiz. Street Rodder. Nice mail truck. Dumpin' A. There's an Auburn. What's that blue one? Oh, blue is a Eagle pickup. That one is IndyCar. Can't remember the name of that one. There's a sweet Greyhound bus. Let's see if this was Jim's. Oh, there's Jim. Stage Fright. Jim's name on it. Ramblin' Wrecker. Yep, Jim. A Hightail Hauler. Cool hair splitter. Paddy wagon. Oh, there's the blade for the power plower. Well, that's cool. Well, I might do another video showing all of these out together because they all look like blister pole or pretty close to it. So we'll stay tuned for another cool video.